Hello my dear students. Let's go deep into the world of realistic. The realistic personality type in the RIASEC model, which is associated with practicality, hands-on skills and a preference for working with tools and physical objects, may not be the most typical personality profile for MBA students. MBA programs often attract individuals with a diverse range of personality types and backgrounds, and success in these programs typically depends on a combination of skills and traits. However, there are some ways in which the realistic personality traits can still be beneficial for MBA students. Number 1. Problem-solving abilities. Realistic individuals are often strong problem solvers, and this skill is valuable in business and management. MBA students often encounter complex business challenges that require practical solution-oriented thinking. Number 2. Implementation skills. MBA programs often emphasize the development of strategic plans and business models. Realistic individuals can excel at implementing these plans and strategies, ensuring that they are executed effectively. Number 3. Project management. Realistic individuals, they tend to be organized and detail-oriented, which are valuable traits in project management. MBA students often work on team projects and need to manage timelines and resources efficiently. Number 4. Data analysis. Many MBA programs involve data analysis and quantitative analysis. Realistic individuals may have a natural aptitude for working with data and numbers, which is an essential skill in business decision making. Number 5. The most important, leadership. While leadership is not exclusive to any particular personality type, realistic individuals can be effective leaders by focusing on practical and result-oriented approaches to management. Number 6. Industry focus. Some MBA students may come from backgrounds in engineering, technology, or other fields that align with the realistic type. In such cases, their technical expertise can be an asset in industries where innovations and practical problem solving are highly valued. It's evident to note that the MBA student body is diverse, and individuals with various personality types can succeed in these programs. MBA programs, they typically emphasize a well-rounded skill set that includes analytical thinking, leadership, communication, and adaptability. Additionally, individuals with the realistic personality type may choose to specialize in areas of business that align more closely with their practical and hands-on preferences, such as operation management, supply chain management, or entrepreneurship. These fields often involve a focus on implementing strategies and managing business processes, which can be a good fit for realistic individuals. Ultimately, the success of MBA students is not solely determined by their personality type, but by their ability to apply a broad range of skills and knowledge to the complex challenges of the business world.